Unboxing and unveiling one of our tiles from the Elementa range. This pattern imitates the movement of ocean waves, swelling in soft, rhythmic, constantly shifting cycle, creating that slow, hypnotic motion you see when the tide keeps changing. This is our number 49 in lilac marble, Giada marble, Veria marble, and Nero Marquina. Keep in mind our custom service allows you to pick a pattern in a completely different stone,